AP, so I go on. As promised, here's a stew chicken, and I'll leave the link for the brown stew chicken up by the top. But before we get into it, let's cue the intro.
This is Squirt's kitchen, delightful taste from the heart. I know you're watching from near and far. Come and see me cook delicious dishes. Come and get a smile while you eat with your eyes. This is Squirt's kitchen.
So right now here we have a half of a chicken. Is a man, I like skin the chicken more well, so that's exactly what I'm about to do, or I'm doing. You know, we're just gonna cut up this chicken, wash it, and I make nobody tell you nothing. Wash your chicken, use some lime, some vinegar, wash off your chicken. I'm tell you about no germs in a sink and then something there. That's why you have something named bleach. You know, after you do all of this, you clean up your counter and you wash out your sink with some bleach and soap. You understand? Yeah man, clean up your chicken man, so your chicken does smell raw while you're eating and all of these things. You understand? But yeah, we'll cut up that chicken and season it and make it stay for a few hours. You know, you can make it stay overnight, so you can do it overnight, as well as you can just put it down for a few hours, maybe 1, 2, 3 hours. You understand? And if you don't have that amount of time, it don't really matter. I mean, it only make it nice if you make it stay, but if you know, it don't really matter. If you have to use it right away, use it right away. You understand? Just know that it's nicer when the season is still for a while. Just make it marinate for a while and you get that, you know, nicer taste from it. But right now I'm just cutting them up cutting up the chicken in smaller pieces. You know, we would say bite sizes. So yeah. And for the women who sometimes don't have the man at home, and you want your whole chicken and all of these things to cut up, just get yourself one of them chopper, man. That's all you need, you know. You just want one chopper. You understand? Just remember to keep your fingers out of the way, but all you need is a chopper. You don't have to do no whole for hard work, man. Just get a chopper and you're gone. The weight of the chopper do the work for you. You understand? Look how easy the chopper going through the chicken. Just want a chopper, man, and lift the chopper, put it down and you're gone. Just remember to move those little fatty areas. You know, just take off those fat off the side of the chicken, wherever it is. You know, a bit healthier, and at the same time your pot won't look like, you know, like oil is swimming on the top of your pot. I'll squeeze some lime in it now. You know, you don't have to use the same amount of lime when we use. You can use 1 lime, you can use half lime, and use more vinegar. It's up to you. As long as the chicken wash properly. Just gonna add a little bit of the vinegar now. I love this vinegar, because this vinegar, you don't really, like, if you use it in your food, you don't really um like give you a bad taste in the mouth. Apart from, it being, have it like, have the sour taste like what you would get from the ketchup, or maybe mustard, or whatever else it would be in, you know. Salt a chicken them, and just get your hand into it, and you know move around. I always like to wash it a few times. This is one of the one that we cook with love. So not too worried about measurement to all that. The only thing you need to control is the amount of salt that you're using. If your season have salt, just control that. You understand? But we're gonna pour out the season on the chicken with some love. So you're gonna feel it, and just a mixture of ginger and pimento. And this is a easy spice chicken. I just pour it into the container that I have there, because it's a little bit easier for me. And it has salt, including the Maggi, chicken Maggi. They have salt, so I'm just using a bit of each. This onion salt is it's really good, very tasty, and flavorful also. Just a little black pepper. Again, browning is not just for color, it's also for taste. Browning have a little bit of taste to it, so it help to balance the meal that you're putting it in. You just massage that in, man. Get your hand messy in, and just rub it in the meat. So here I'm gonna just prepare a piece of ginger. So I'm gonna use some ginger, some scallion, onion, sweet pepper, garlic. I'm gonna use thyme too, but I'm not gonna use the thyme now. I'm gonna use the thyme a little further up. I'm not gonna use all of the scallion or the sweet pepper. I'm gonna leave it so to use when the pot is almost through cooking. We're gonna just mix that up, leave it for a while, and then cook it a little later. Preheated oil. Not sparing anything but the liquid that is in the container. We're gonna need that liquid for to use a little later. Just cover that now and now make it go and simmer a bit. Watch out. In the meantime, make sure so you hit that subscribe there and hit that notification bell there. And make sure so you like the video then give me a little strength. Understand? Really appreciate it. We'll just allow you if you just finish watch your video. You know, it's really simple from here on out. Pretty straightforward.
kitchen. Delightful taste from the heart. I know you're watching. From near and far, come and see me cook delicious dishes. Come and get a smile while you eat with your eyes. This is Courtney's Kitchen.